Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today's question is from JEE Main. It is from probability. The coefficients in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 are chosen from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The probability of these equation having repeated roots is, four options as given. Option 1, 1 over 128, 2, 1 over 64, then 3, 1 over 120, 3 over 128, 4 is 3 over 256. So this is a question from quadratic equation is involved and probability is involved. So let us start taking the properties of the quadratic equation. When we get real repeated roots, that time if in a equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, this equation have repeated roots if discriminant equals to your 0. So equal to b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That means b square equals to 4 times of ac. So first we should think that we have to take from this number a, b, c the coefficients a, b, c are to be chosen from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And b square equals to 4ac, that means b square is a multiple of 4. Now each coefficient can be chosen from each coefficient can be either of these 8, so can be chosen in 8 ways. The possible total number of possible combinations a, b, c, it will be 8 multiplies 8 multiplies 8, that will be 512. So now let us come to b. B cannot be 1. B square is equal to 1 when we take b equals to 1. So b square cannot be 4 times of ac because they are integers, positive integers. So b square equals to 1 is not possible. So after b equals to 1, let us take b equals to 2. When b equals to 2, b square equals to 4, or b square equals to 4ac, we know. This implies that 4a times of ac equals to 4. This implies that ac equals to 1. So when AC product of A and C is 1, that means this gives us A equals to 1, B equals to C equals to 1. Only one possibility is there. So only one pair is possible for AC 1, 1 when B equals to 2. Next, coming to B equals to 3, when b equals to 3, b square equals to 9. So this is not possible because b square is not equal to 4 times of AC. So next, coming to b equals to 4, that time b square equals to 16, that is equals to 4 times of AC. This gives us AC equals A into C, product is equals to 4. So what are the possibility of A and C? So valid pairs will be 1 4, 4 1, and 2 2. So 3 pairs. B square B equals to 5, not possible, rejected, because B square equal to 25. Then B equals to 6, this gives us B square is equal to 36, or AC equals to 9. So what will be the possible pairs that time? AC will be only 3 and 3, because we are getting from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 3. So only one pair. Then B equals to 7, not possible. B equals to 8. B square equals to 4 times of AC. Possible is a 4 multiple, it will be 64. So that means A product of AC equals to 16. So what are the valid pairs? Valid pairs will be 2 8, 8 2, 4 4. Is there anything possible? No, again 3 pairs. So total pairs we are getting here 1 pair, then 3 pairs, then again 1 pair, and it will be 3 pairs. So total pairs are 8. Next, coming to probability. So probability of having repeated roots. So valid combinations upon total combination equal to 8 by 512. So what will the answer? 1 by 64. So let us see what is answer. Answer is 2. 2 is answer. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you.